Jill has been trying to get more views on her YouTube videos, but noticed that viewers are dropping off at the end of her video when she shows her end screen. How can she extend the watch time at the end of her videos so she can get more views from suggested traffic? In this video, you'll learn what end screens are, how to use end screens correctly, how to get more clicks on your end screen mistakes to avoid, and how to track your end screen click-through rate. What are end screens? End screens help extend the watch time on your channel by directing viewers to watch something next at the end of your videos. You typically add them in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video, and they appear both on desktop and mobile phones. You can add up to 5 elements on your end screen. You can add a video, playlist, subscribe button, channel, or link to a website that's associated with your channel. If it's a video, you can add your most recent upload, which automatically features the most recently uploaded video, best for viewer video, which allows YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit the viewer based upon their browsing behavior, or you can select a video from your channel that's the next best video to watch, as I've done here. Recently, I've been inviting viewers to watch the next best video related to the one that they've just watched. If I click the pencil icon, then I can choose from any of my videos, or I can choose any video on YouTube. I can also add multiple elements on the end screen. So I click the plus element, click playlist, and I can choose the playlist, and so I'll have the playlist and a video on the end screen. Just keep in mind that end screen elements cannot overlap or be too close together on the video. So I'll have to move this one over so they don't overlap. I don't recommend adding too many calls to action on your end screen, otherwise your viewers won't take action because they can't decide. Instead, give only one call to action or stagger the elements on the end screen so they pop up at different times. So for instance, the playlist will appear first, and then my video will appear second. You can also add a subscribe button, a channel, and a link. All your end screen elements will appear on the timeline at the bottom here. After you've added all the end screen elements, just click Save, or if you want to discard the changes, click Discard Changes. Keep in mind that your video has to be at least 25 seconds long to add an end screen. Here are some ways for viewers to click on your end screen so you can get more views. Number 1, think about the purpose of your end screen. Is it to get your viewers to watch the next video related to the video that they've just watched? If so, add a related video, or even better, add a playlist that contains related videos. If a viewer binge watches multiple videos in a row from your playlist, then YouTube will surface more of your videos to that particular viewer. Here's a hot tip to add a specific video from your playlist. Select a video from your playlist related to the video that the viewer is watching. Copy the long web address of that particular video. In the video element of your end screen, select Choose a specific video. Paste the web address of the video that you selected from your playlist. The video thumbnail will now appear on the end screen, and I suggest centering it so it'll be in the center of the video. After you've finished adding the video to your end screen, click Save to save the changes. If the purpose of your end screen is to get viewers to subscribe, then add a subscribe button. If the purpose of your end screen is to get more leads, then send them to a landing page that is associated with your channel. Your landing page could offer a free download in exchange for contact information. Keep in mind you only want to give 1 or at the most 2 calls to action on your end screen so as not to confuse your viewers. Number 2, when shooting your next video, think about what you want the viewer to do next after watching the video that they've just watched. Number 3, if you're adding multiple elements to your end screen, make sure you space them out so they appear at different times on the end screen. Your first element could be the next video that you want your viewer to watch, and the second element could be the subscribe button. Just make sure you give verbal call to actions as the end screen elements appear. Here are 4 YouTube end screen mistakes to avoid. Number 1, don't telegraph the ending of your video. If you can extend the watch time of your video by showing another video or playlist related to the video that they've just watched, then YouTube will surface more of your videos to that particular viewer. Avoid saying things at the end of your videos such as, "That's all I have for you now," "Thanks for watching," etc. Instead, you want to show your end screen while you're finishing up your video. Number 2, no verbal call to action. Avoid playing music while showing your end screen elements. Instead, give a verbal call to action such as "Watch this next video," so people will know what to do. Number 3, not planning enough time to add an end screen when you're creating your video. YouTube only allows 20 seconds for your end screen elements to appear, so make sure you plan that in when you create your video. Number 4, not improving your end screen click-through rate. If you click on the engagement tab in YouTube Analytics, then scroll down to top end screen element types, you'll see all the clicks per end screen element shown in the last 28 days. If you click see more, you'll see the end screen element shown, end screen element clicks, and clicks per end screen element shown. End screen element clicks refers to the number of times an end screen element was clicked. Clicks per end screen element shown refers to how often viewers clicked an end screen element when it was shown. Here's how to view the end screen click-through rate for a specific video. If you click on the engagement tab in YouTube Analytics for a specific video, then scroll down to end screen element click rate, you'll be able to see the effectiveness of your video's end screen. The percentage shows you how often viewers clicked on the end screen element after seeing it. My recommendation is to try to improve your end screen click-through rate by 1% every month. This means that more viewers are staying engaged throughout your video and clicking on your end screen to watch more of your videos. When you extend the watch time of your videos, YouTube will surface more of your videos to other viewers on YouTube. This means you get free promotion by YouTube. One of the biggest problems YouTube creators have is that their videos are not being discovered in the YouTube search results. Watch a video on the screen right now on how to get more views from search results on YouTube, even if you only have a small channel.